In this tutorial, we're going to be setting up fingerprint ID on an iPhone. If you haven't set up fingerprint ID when you first start your phone, because when you first start it, you're given the opportunity to set it up, but if you haven't set it up yet, you need to go to settings. When you first set up your phone, it gives you the option to skip that step, or you can set it up then. If you want to set it up after your phone is all ready to go, then you go to settings and you go down to Touch ID and passcode. Enter your usual passcode, and here you see you have these three options. You can use Touch ID for iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store. I found all of these really helpful when I'm using apps that I pay for things. I've definitely begun to embrace the fact that you can pay so much faster than entering in a password. So I have these enabled, and I have my current finger enabled right now. So what you do to add your fingerprint is you touch Add a Fingerprint. And now here's the thing that I think really helped me when I set it up. If I'm going to be using my fingerprint like this, why would I do it the way it suggests and put it like this? So when you actually place your finger on the sensor, put it the way you're going to be putting it on the sensor when you actually log in. For me, that means I use it at about a 45-degree angle on the sensor. And I've had so much more luck with doing my fingerprint this way than doing it the way it suggests, like this. It might just be my own individual finger, but this is just what I've learned over experience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do it the way that I did it before. It's kind of, let me move this up a little bit and put it right on the middle. And so it says lift your finger and rest your finger on the home button repeatedly. And you just do it in the same spot until it tells you to put it in a different area. So you just keep doing it on the same spot. Now it says adjust your grip. And for me, when I move my finger too far, it doesn't really work. So what I do is I barely, you hit continue, I barely move it just a tiny bit over. Whereas, see, this means like a drastic movement. I just move it just a skosh around the sensor. So I don't get too crazy with it. I just move it in a circle around the sensor, and now it says it's done. So now I have two fingers added to it, which is the same finger, so I'm going to go ahead and delete one. But now supposedly there would be two different imprints that were created that would be able to check against whether or not you are the person with the, whether or not you're the person. So how do we delete these fingers here? Maybe we select it, yep, and then we select delete fingerprint. Now you're back to just the one. The other options down here, turn passcode off, that's the lock screen. And here's where you can adjust what is on your lock screen. There are all these different options here where you can adjust certain things and access certain things on your lock screen. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.